Hi Crafty Friends, how's everyone doing today? Today I figure we do an unboxing from this beautiful painting. It's called A Dragonling Valentine by Jasmine Beckett Griffith. Okay, and it's round. Okay, it says round diamonds. It's a circle and it's usually pink. It comes into this beautiful, very shiny box. Okay, it says scan me, unlock for 10% off. And then in the back, it tells you how it works and what's inside the kit. So let's open this baby up. So what do we know about Jasmine Beckett Griffith? Well, Jasmine is a freelance artist and she specializes in fairies, fantasy, and gothic artwork. Okay, so let's look at what's inside. So we've got, usually they come with 2 stickers. This is the small one. This can go on your logbook or on the box on the top or on the bottom, wherever you feel like, placing it. Okay, so there's the picture. This is the toolkit. So let's open this baby up. If I can get it open. Okay, so this one has a green pen. I like that sometimes the pens come, most of the time the pens come in different colors. Okay, so we have a resealable bags just in case you don't have the containers. So you have the diamond pen, and this is for it's called a grip, and this is, you're supposed to slide it out and it's supposed to help with your fingers for comfort. These are the 2 placers it comes with. It comes with this really, really pretty washi tape. See that? It's like zigzags. And then look at this, guys. It's a little dolphin. See that? It's a cover minder. And then it comes with a heart-shaped container, and inside is the wax that you will use. I believe there's 2 in there. And of course the tray. All right, so let's put everything back in here. Let's move that aside. All the Diamond Art Club paintings come in a plastic bag to protect it when it's traveling. And it says, do what makes you sparkle, but I always say, do what makes you happy, right? This makes us happy. All right, so let's open this baby up here. Ooh, got all over my fingers. All right. Let's get the drills out of here. And the sticker. Okay. So the drills, guys, always comes with a sticker. So if you separate the drills from the painting, you will know that this one belongs to that painting. A Dragonling Valentine. Okay. This is the big sticker. This you can put, I basically just bought a binder and I need to decorate the binder, but this is where I'm going to start placing this in my binder. So you basically, it tells you A Dragonling Valentine by Jasmine Beckett Griffith. You put the start date when you start it and when you end it. Okay. And then over here, this is the pre-cut stickers. And this, some people use them, some people don't, but I do. And this goes on your containers. It comes with the instructions. Thank you for your purchase. What's included in the kit, tips and tricks. All right, let's move that aside. And all the Diamond Art Club canvases, guys, are very, very soft, okay? And they're designed to prevent wrinkling and fraying. And they're made also from heavy duty waterproof tarpaulin fabric. Okay, all right, so let's open this baby up. Oh, this is the bottom. And the bottom of the painting, it always shows you a picture. It's DAC, Diamond Art Club, A Dragonling Valentine. It's 17 inches by 24 inches, which is 43 centimeters by 61 centimeters. It's by Jasmine Beckett Griffith, Diamond Art Club. Okay, and over here in the middle, you can find them on Facebook, Instagram, and over here you have the lifetime warranty. So you have a 30-day money-back guarantee, lifetime warranty. You have free diamond spill insurance, which is excellent, and you also get a 10% cashback rewards with every order. All right, all of these paintings, by the way, this is a great size. All these paintings, I'm just going to roll it. Okay, just to make it a little flatter because it has been traveling and it's been in the box. All these paintings usually come with 2 legends. Okay, so now let's open this baby up. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful, guys, and it's perfect size. So this is one of the legends. So you have a legend on the right hand side on the bottom, and then you have another legend on the upper hand side but on the left. And then it always tells you, do what makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club on the top. What we love about this legend, guys, is that it tells you how many colors this painting has. So by looking at the legend, it tells you it's got 56 colors. And it looks like it has 2 ABs. And over here, these are the DMC code. And in the middle is the symbol. And the symbols are, it's on the painting. And this is where you're going to put the drills. Okay? So let's look at this beautiful painting, guys. I love all of her artwork. I believe she has 9 paintings in Diamond Art Club. I'm just name a couple. One is the 2 Fluffy Kittens, Alice in the Starry Night, and 208 Faces of Fairy. Okay, now she's obviously a beautiful fairy. I just love, what I love about her is those big blue eyes, guys. Look at that. She's just adorable. And then I think this painting, I got it because I think it's perfect for Valentine's Day. And then she's got a dragonling, and a dragonling is basically a baby dragon. And I believe this is one of her wings. And then she's holding on to this beautiful big red heart. Okay, and I think this is, I'm not sure if this is part of her wing here. And look at the dragon, guys. It's got like, you could actually add ABs on this, because I'm not sure if you add ABs on these, but they look like gems. And look at that, it's like she sort of looks sad. All right, what else? I think that's about it. Let me bring her up so you can see her. It's very clear. The rendering is stunning. It's very detailed. She has beautiful big blue eyes. So let's see if you can see that. It's very clear. Let's see her eyes. Look at those eyes, guys. Gorgeous. And then look at, she's got like a little button nose, and look at those lips, those little puckered lips. And then look at the dragon, or the baby dragon, the dragonling. And then let's not forget the big heart. Look how big that heart is, guys. And then look at the gems on the body of the dragonling. You could definitely add ABs there. All right. All right, so let's move it aside so we can look at the drills. All right, let us begin. 152 is Shell Pink Medium Light. Okay, let's put it right there. I think that's good. Right there. 168 is Pewter Very Light. 223 is Shell Pink Light. 224 is Shell Pink Very Light. Very little of that one. 225 is Shell Pink Ultra Very Light. All right, 300 is Mahogany Very Dark. 310, we only have one bag of 310, which is black. 316 is Antique Moth Medium. Very little of that one. I think we have space for one more. And 321 is red. 322 is Baby Blue Dark. 327 is Violet Dark. And 370, I believe, is Mustard Medium. We have enough light in here. 413 is Pewter Gray Dark. 452 is Shell Gray Medium. 498 is Red Dark. 535 is Ash Gray Very Light. And 550 is Violet Very Dark. 608 is Burnt Orange Bright. Very little of that one. 646 is Beaver Gray Dark. And 647, we have 2 bags, and this one's Beaver Gray Medium. And then 666 is Red Bright. 762 is Pearl Gray Very Light. 779 is Cocoa Dark. And 780 is Topaz Ultra Very Dark. I think we can fit one more there. 803 is Baby Blue Ultra Very Dark. 814 is Garnet Dark. Okay, very little of that one also. 815 is Garnet but medium. 823 is Navy Blue Dark. Very little of that one also. 829 is Golden Olive Very Dark. 839 is Beige Brown Dark. 840 is Beige Brown Medium. 898 is Coffee Brown Very Dark. 902, very little of this one, Garnet Very Dark. And 938 is Coffee Brown Ultra Dark. Okay, almost finished, guys. I'm trying to go as fast, very fast, trying. 3022 is Brown Gray Medium. 3023 is Brown Gray Light. And 3024 is also, what did I say? 3024 is Brown Gray Very Light. 3042 is Antique Violet Light. 3064 is Desert Sand. 3072 is Beaver Gray Very Light. And 3371 is Black Brown. This one is 37. Did I skip one? Wait, yeah, no, I'm good. 3721 is Shell Pink Dark. Let me put that one over there. 3722 is also Shell Pink but medium. Do we have space here? Right there. I'll move this up a little bit. 3726, and 3726 is Antique Moth Dark. 3727 is also Antique Moth but light. All right, let's see. Turn the paper around. 3768 is Gray Green Dark. 3787 is Brown Gray Dark. And 3799 is Pewter Gray Very Dark. That's a pretty color. I actually like that one. 3828 is Hazelnut Brown. 3829 is Old Gold Very Dark. 3835 is Grape Medium. And 3842 is Wedgwood Very Dark. Very little of that one. 3858 is Rosewood Medium. And the last one, 3861 Cocoa Light. Okay. So as you can see, we have lots in the gray family. Lots of pinks, lots of browns, and purples. Okay. So let's move them all to the side, because we need to bring the painting back. And let's look at the ABs. Where did I put the ABs? Right here. So we have 2 ABs. 114. I wish I had more, but that's not going to stop us. We could actually add more ABs, guys, right? Sparklers, crystals. Okay, so this one's 114 orange. And this was 141, and it's a white. All right, so let's bring back the painting. That beautiful painting. And now we're going to look for... if we look at the legend, this one's going to be symbol 1. No, I'm sorry, 114. So 114 is symbol 1. So wherever we see 1, okay, I already see 1. It's right here. 2 right there in her eyes, and 2 right there in her eyes. Okay, in her other eye. And then you have it on this, I don't know, it's not a diamond. It's like some kind of, I guess when you put them all together, it's going to create like a big bead. Or, oh God, I forgot the word. Not a crystal. Well, anyway, I can't remember the word because, guys, I forget everything. But that's going to go in there. As you see a couple of 1s in there. And then you have lots of 1s in the heart. So the heart is going to be very shiny. Her eyes are going to be shiny. That's going to be shiny. And, of course, the Dragonling has some other on her tail. Okay? So, and then 141, if you look at the legend, it's number 2. So wherever you see number 2 or white. So let's see, number 2. Okay, I see it. Over here, you have some on her wing. I think that's a wing, because over here, this is a wing, and she is a fairy. You got 2s here on her other wing. And let's see, you have some in her eyes. So that means her eyes are going to be sparkly. And you have lots up here on her hair. All right. So she's got number 2 on her feathers. Her feathers, oh my gosh. On her wings. I tell you. On her wings, on her hair, on her eyes. And of course the heart is going to be shiny. The eye of the Dragonling is going to be shiny also. All right. So this is going to be stunning, guys. And would you add more ABs? I don't know. Maybe on her lips, you know, because I think it's perfect the way it is, to tell you the truth. So I hope you guys like this painting. I think it's just perfect for Valentine's Day because of that beautiful heart and those beautiful big blue eyes. Well, anyway, all right. Well, thank you again. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye.